So, day before yesterday, we were discussing about Jainism, right? So, as we have discussed that Jainism was quite ancient religion, right? Related to the Hindu Dharma. Rishabdeva is already mentioned in the Puranas, right? And Purana is a part of Vedic literature. We have already discussed the epics. And then we have Puranas. 18 Puranas. In Bhagavad Purana, we have mention of Rishabdeva. So in Jain traditions, there are 24 Tirthankara. Right? And the first Tirthankara, the traditional founder of Jainism, was Rishabdeva. Rishabdeva, right? And Rishabdeva is taught all the traditions of Jainism, right? And he was incarnated as the god also. And Rishabdeva, attempted fast also. And the day when he began with the food again, right? Ended the fast. The day was called as Sova Akshaya Tritiya is quite important for Jainism also. In Hinduism, we have Akshaya Tritiya. In Jainism also, because that was the day when he just went through the normal diet again after the fasting. And Rishabdeva attended Nirvana on Kailas Parvata. So why Kailas Parvat is also a very sacred place for Jainism. As well, Hinduism is already there. After this Tirthankara, the most important Tirthankara was Bhagwan Mahavira. He was the 24th Tirthankara in the Jainism tradition. Before that, we had Parshvanatha, Aristonemi, Neminatha, Sambhavanatha, Mallinatha, all were be there, right? And Mahavira. Then we discuss about the life history of Bhagwan Mahavira, that the birthplace of Mahavira is Kundagram, Vaisali, and father Siddhartha, mother Trisla, clan Jantrik, right? Married to Yasoda, daughter Priyadarshana, right? At the age of 32, right? They became an ascetic or Jain monk, right? And after 12 years as a wanderer life, he attended they become Kevalya, Jinn, Arhant, Nirvana, they become Arhant or Jinn. And the place was Jimbika Gram, river, Rijupalika, tree, Banyan tree, and the household name Samana, right? And they become Arhant and Jinn. What is Jinn? Conqueror of inner enemy. And Arhant, Tirthankar, fort builder. Kevalya, complete knowledge, omniscience, right? Then teachings of Mahavira, right? First, they discarded the supremacy of Vedas. First, they discarded the supremacy of Vedas. Vedas means their rituals, right? At that particular time, Veda actually related with the rituals only. Clear? So Veda is about rituals. So first they rejected the supremony or hegemony of Vedas. Second, they discarded the birth status of Brahmins. According to Mahaviraj, Brahman means learned man. Brahman, which is Brahman by its occupation, by its knowledge. It means each and every Jain was a Brahman. Right? Brahman does not mean that you born in Brahman family. Brahman means you are born, you are a Brahman by your knowledge, by virtue. And for that, so for Mahavira, each and every Jain was a Brahman. Because that follow the path of knowledge, virtue, non-violence, right? So each and every Jain was bound. So they discarded the birth rank status of Brahmanism. Then he emphasized on Panch Mahavrata. 4 Mahavrata was already given by Parshvanatha, and the 5th Brahmacharya, the celibacy, was added by the Mahavira. Right? Mahavira, like 40 years, around 32 years, right? He gave his sermons to Mithila, Champa, Vaisali, Rajgraha. So Mithila, Champa, Vaisali, 3 prominent centers. Like in Buddha we have, बुद्धा में कौन से 4 मेन है? सबसे ज्यादा सरमन कहां दिया बुद्धा ने? कहां से आते हैं ये लोग? कौन छोड़ जाता है इन्हें? What happened? We discussed Sravasti. Sravasti, the highest number of sermons कहां दिए हैं? Sravasti, Sankasya, Rajgraha, Vaisali, Magdha. Magdha was the prominent center of Buddha. And 2 capitals of Magdha, Rajgraha and Vaisali. Second capital Vaisali. Not Patliputra. तब नहीं, पाटलिपुत्र काला शोक के टाइम आ रहा है प्रभु. हम तो बैठे बिंबिसार अजातशत्रु में. मैं उस दिन अशोका बुद्धा में फंसा, तुम आज सारनाथ राज के घूम रहे हो. सो महावीरा, एक्चुअली द महावीरा सेंटर मिथिला. मिथिला किसका हुआ? मिथिला कौन सा महाजनपद है? मिथिला किसके अंडर है? किसका है? वी डिस्कस अबाउट वज्जी. वज्जी में 3 क्लान है. कौन कौन से? लिच्छवी, विदेह. विदेह की राजधानी मिथिला है ना. वज्जी की वैशाली. और जांत्रिका कौन है? सबअर्बन ऑफ वैशाली. So Mithila was the capital of Videha, which was the part of Vajji clan, Vajji group, Vajji Ganatantra. So first Mithila, and Champa was the capital of Anga. So Mithila, Champa, Vaisali, because he belonged to the same Vajji clan. Jantrik, तो पहले वो then Magadha. राइट, तो ये उनका मेन प्रोमिनेंट एरिया है, रीजन है. मिथिला, चंपा, वैशाली, देन इंडो राजग्रह. राइट, ये 3 मेन प्रोमिनेंट सेंटर. जैसे अशोका बिलोंग टू कौशला, तो उनका मेन कौन हुआ? श्रावस्ती, संकस्य. इनका बुद्धा है क्या? बुद्धा बिलोंग टू कौशला. बुद्धा इज कॉल्ड एज कौशलन. सो द मेन सेंटर वॉज श्रावस्ती, वैशाली. सो दे बॉर्न ना, सबसे ज्यादा सरमन वहां होंगे जहां पर वो बॉर्न हुए हैं. तो इसका ध्यान रखना. इनका है मिथिला, चंपा, वैशाली. Right? And then to whereas in Buddha main reign क्या हो गया उनका? The whole Kausal, right? Sravasti, Sankasya, then Magda, Rajgraha, Vaisali, Avanti, Vats, these were the part. And at the age of 72, right, in Pavapuri, Mahavir attended the Nirvana. Clear? So then we have discussed about the Jainism philosophy, right? So in philosophy, first we have discussed about the cosmology or chronology. The cosmology, in cosmology we have discussed that Jain believes in two cycles of the universe, Avsarpani and Uttasarpani, ascendant and descendant, right? One towards the upper side and one to the lower side. This is the part. Second, then we have discussed about the concept of this, the karma, the concept of karma. According to Jainism, there are so many types of karma, right? And the most important, what we say, the crucial karma is Mohini karma. Right? Mohini karma. This karma, and they all are Pudgal. We shall discuss later, they all are Pudgal. So this Mohini karma tends to bind with Jiva. Right? We discussed about the Jiva, the soul, and what are the characters of Jiva? Consciousness, energy, bliss. So this Jiva is a free soul. These karma, the Mohini karma, tends to attract to Jiva and then bind to Jiva, right? So first they attract, which is called as Asrava, right? When they attract towards the Jiva, the free soul, and when they attract, then Bandha. In Bandha, what they do, they destruct the consciousness, energy and bliss of Jiva. Right? Now they distressed completely. Now Jiva deviated from all these characters and it attached with the karma. Then after Bandha, what we have? Asra, बंध गए. अब आप क्या करोगे? You will go to Samvara. Samvara में क्या किया आपने? Samvara और निर्जरा को उल्टा करो. Samvara means destroying old karma, right? Samvara is destroying old karma by means of tapa, discipline, fasting, all these things, right? A strict life to live.